Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shaylee. For this video, I'm doing a night in my life. So first, I'm going to show you guys my routine of how I get ready for Rory's games. They play tonight at 7:30 versus the Dallas Wings. I'm going to take you guys along with me to the game, and then afterwards, you guys will see what we do after the game, and then my nighttime routine going to bed. So I did just put my outfit on. I'll show you guys the whole fit after I do my hair and my makeup. For tonight's hair, we're going to do a slick back bun. So I got my favorite products out for my slick backs. We got the Day Styling Cream and the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. This is my favorite comb because it has a sharp end where it makes my parts very straight, and then I use this brush to smooth out my hair. So let's do my hair first and then we'll get into the makeup. Okay, there's the hair. I just washed my face, so we're gonna start with the makeup. I'm gonna start with the Rhode Highlight Milk, and this is in the shade 02. I just got this product and I love it. I think we're gonna do this one today. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 130. This might be a little bit too dark, and if it is, I'll add some lighter foundation drops into it. Let's blend that in. Oh yeah, no, I think this is fine. Blending that in with my Say brush. And then we will do concealer. I'm using the Makeup Forever palette, and as you can see, I have only used like 3 shades. But right now we're gonna go in with this one for my concealer and spot treat some of my blemishes. Okay, next is brows. I'm going in with the ColourPop Brow Boss, and this is in the shade Clear. I don't like putting extra color on my eyebrows because they're already black, so this gel just helps keep my brows in place. Next is bronzer, one of my favorite parts. We are going to go in with the Rhode Bronze in the shade Bake. I like putting that on my full forehead. For my nose contour, I'm using the Contour Stick by Smashbox. This is in the shade Medium. And then we will blend that all in, add some color back into my face. And then for blush, we're using the Pocket Blush by Rhode in the shade Freckle. For highlight, we're using a Benefit in the shade Cookie. For eyes, I'm using the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm gonna add a small wing in this brick color. Then for eyeshadow, we're gonna use this brown color. Okay, going in with mascara, we're gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But first, got to curl the lashes. We're then gonna use some powder, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Light. And while that sits, I'm gonna do my lips. The excess, we're just gonna tap on my forehead and under my eyes. This helps set the makeup, but also keeps it from looking greasy and shiny. For lip tint, we are using the Sephora lip liner in the shade Espresso, and then Benefit lip tint. Okay, we're gonna brush this powder off, and then we're gonna set everything with my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. So that is the makeup and the hair. Right now I'm going to put some lotion on, put all my jewelry on, and I'll show you guys my outfit. Here is the fit for the night. We have some brown Havaiana flip-flops with some baggy shorts from Urban Outfitters. I got these the beginning of summer and I've fallen in love with them. This is a custom white tank with the denim 3 on it. I have Gorjana, Fossil, and Amazon jewelry on, and there is the hair and the makeup. Right now I have about an hour till I have to leave for the game. I'm just gonna edit a few videos. Hey guys, so we are back from the game and we won. We won by 4 and it was a great game. We were almost down by 20 at one point. So yeah, it was a close one. But I did just shower and I want to show you guys my skincare routine for the night and also my hair care routine. Just for my hair, I just put in this leave-in conditioner from Moroccan Oil. So we're gonna do that right now. And most nights I'll blow dry my hair, but some nights I get lazy and I just let it air dry and put it in a braid. Tonight I'm lazy, so we're just gonna put it in a bun for now. And right when I go to bed, I'll braid it and put it in my bonnet. And for skincare, I'm using the Lancome Youth Activating Serum, and I love this stuff. If you guys follow me, you know that I say that this is Botox in a bottle. So I usually just put that on my forehead. And then I'm going to be using the Clarins Double Serum for the rest of my face. And then for eye cream, I'm going in with the Total Eye by Color Science. And last but not least, my favorite lip for the night. This is the Tatcha lip mask, and I will use this every night. And to end the night, we have some packages. So I have 3 boxes we're going to open together. This first package is from Surrey. They have sent me a few of their products. So they have sent me their toothbrush and also extra toothbrush heads. We have a refillable toothpaste, and then we have 3 different toothpastes. So we have Aloe Mint, Wild Mint, and Clean Mint. I'm so excited to try this tomorrow. And the next one is from Noise. Also, just so you guys know, these 2 packages are from ShopMy. So if you're interested in food products, if you want to get into it, use my referral code. I will put it right here and also in the description below. Ooh! This is the Noise Only Human Milk Day Perfume. Yay! Oh wow, this is nice. Okay, so this is Fine Fragrance Milk. So assuming it's like lotion, but just milky. The last package is a bigger package. I have no idea who it's from. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, so Alani sent me some cans. This is my favorite flavor. It's Cherry Twist, and this is their energy drink. So I got a 12 pack of that, and they sent me Alani Self Balance capsules. We love a healthy, balanced girl, so you know I will definitely be using these. Those were all my packages. Thank you so much to Surrey, Noise, and Alani. Love you guys. I'm going to end the vlog for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.